how to back up Gmail on external hard drive. Okay, so to create a backup on another hard drive, you have to follow all these steps. Step number one is to open up the app, which is the Vault application over here, by going to their website, which is the https://app.vault.com. Then connect your original Gmail account as a source account. After doing that, step number 3 says connect any other account and then start the migration. Once you start the migration, it will then back up automatically. Okay, so that's it, guys. We have step number 2 or option number 2. Option number 2 is sign into your Google account and then navigate to the Google Takeout. Step number 2 over here says deselect all. Deselecting all, click on this icon over here and then deselect all. Then step number 3, scroll down to email and then choose send download link and then select the file type and then pick the size and then create an export and you'll be settled. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet.